Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add synthetic indices on MT5 PC. The first thing you need to do is open the MT5 platform. Once it's open, to add synthetic indices to your watch list, go to the top left corner and click on View. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Market Watch. After you click on it, a new tab will appear showing your current watch list. This is where you can create or add the instruments or trading pairs you want to monitor. To add synthetic indices, go to the bottom area of the Market Watch window and click the plus icon or the empty space. Then, type the name of the index you want to add. For example, type Volatility. This will display a list of available synthetic indices, such as Volatility Index and Volatility 101S Index. Select the one you want to add, for instance, Jump 5 Index, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, the selected index will be added to your watch list. After it appears, simply click and drag the index onto your chart to start viewing and trading it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.